If you're trying to boost your SAT score and you feel like you've hit a wall, I've got something that might help you. Let me guess, you already went through all the college-born Bluebook tests, maybe twice, maybe 3 times, if you're really on that grind. But now you're kind of stuck. Like you open up another test and you're like, wait, didn't I already do this? Yeah, you probably did. You might even have the answers memorized at this point, which means you're not testing anymore. You're just reviewing something that is very old. So here's what I found. It's called Blueprep. And before you roll your eyes, it's not one of those fake SAT hacks things. This one's actually legit. Let me break it down for you. Alright, let's keep it real for a second. You're very smart, you've watched all the SAT videos, you've done the Bluebook tests, maybe even bought a couple prep books, thinking this one is gonna fix it. But let me guess, your score is still stuck. Or maybe it went up a little and then flatlined. It's not that you're not trying, you are. The problem is most tools just keep giving you more of the same, more questions, more videos, no clear direction, no pressure, no real learning. That is where Blueprep is different. They've got 10 adaptive SAT tests that is just based on how you answer questions on Module 1. They're not boring and not easy. This thing forces you to level up. And here's the best part. You don't even need to have anything to see if it works. You get your first test completely free. Just try it. See how it feels. If you're serious about breaking through your plateau, this might be the tool that finally makes a difference. Alright, let me tell you what else makes Blueprep different from all the other SAT prep tools I've messed up with. It actually feels like the real SAT, not just the questions. I'm talking the whole vibe, the layouts, the pressure, the clock ticking. You can cross off answers, you can flag those questions. You're on a timer and the interface is damn near identical to the digital SAT. And yeah, that matters a lot because scoring high isn't just about knowing formulas and vocab. It's also about staying sharp under pressure. It's also about making smart decisions when the clock is in your face. And if you're only prepping in chill mode with no pressure, you're not really ready for testing. Blueprep puts you under pressure over and over again. So when the real test hits, you don't flinch. It's not just practice. It's reps for game day. Alright, be honest for a second. Sometimes you finish your practice test and think, okay, I missed a few, but what do I do next? You know your score, you have a rough idea of where you went wrong, but it's not always obvious how to improve. Blueprep makes that next step very clear. When you finish a test, it points you to focused practice, not just more random questions, but drills based on specific skills like text structure or quantitative evidence. And once you feel ready, there is a short mastery test to check your progress. And it's a simple cycle. Learn the skill, practice it, prove you've got it, move forward. No more guessing, just prep that actually helps you get better. Alright, let me take you back to my first month of SAT prep. I thought I was doing everything right. Reading passages, watching strategy videos, doing a few practice questions here and there. And I was like, yeah, I got this. Then I sat down for a full-length practice test and bro, I got slapped. The worst, man, not just hard, they were straight up designed to mess with me. Like I would read a sentence and be like, wait, what the hell is this actually saying? One word would change the whole meaning. And I would pick the wrong answer because I didn't catch the nuance. That's when it hit me. If I don't get serious about SAT level vocab, I'm screwed. And if you're in the same spot, feeling like no matter how much you read, you're not just leveling up. I get it. I've been there. And this is where Blueprep just gets it. They've built this 600-word vocab system, but it's not just a random words. These are actually SAT-tested high-frequency words. Words that show up again and again in traps and answer choices. And the way they teach it, you don't just memorize. You can learn them through quizzes, checkpoints, and finally, master test. And you actually feel yourself getting sharper. Like 1 week, you're staring at a word like ambivalent, thinking no clue. At the next week, you're like, oh, this is a classic SAT trap. Easy. That's the shift. You stop reading like a student and you start reading like the SAT thinks. This is a wake-up call. You do not need random tips. You need a system. And this is it. You've got the work ethics, you've got the drive. Now you just need a smarter system. That's what Blueprep is. The first test is free, no excuses. Try it today. See what's your prep has been missing.